Hello everyone. So today we are going to install Python latest version, which is newly released by Python official website. So let's get started. So here we will download the latest Python version from Python official website, and when you search Python in your favorite browser, you will get the link which is officially provided by Python. Go to that link, and here under the download you can see the latest version of Python is 3.12. So I'm going to download this version. So here our downloading has been started. Okay, so downloading has been completed, and now we will set up our Python on our Windows operating system. So here we will install Python using customize installation. So I will add the Python to path and customize install. Let me just minimize my screen. Okay, so here we will go with the default settings, and here you can choose advanced options as per your requirement. So I will go with the default settings, and this is the path where our program will store. So you can also customize or change the path of your Python setup. So the installation has been started. Okay, so the setup has been successfully installed. So for cross-check, we will open our CMD, and here we will type Python -- version. So you can see the latest version of Python is installed. So with the py, we can open our Python shell. As you can see, our Python shell has been opened. So here we will type print, and we can specify what we want to print here. So inside the double quote, we can type what we want to print, and when you hit enter, you can see the response and what we want to print from Python. So this is it for this video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and I will meet you in next video. Thank you so much for watching.